Hello, and good day, everyone, especially to our parents, co-teachers, and of course, students with the guidance of their advisors. Hello. Once again, how is everyone today? This is teacher Christine. I'm going to discuss all about percentage base and rate for grade 5 class. Look, what is the topic all about? Everyone read. Very good. Percentage, base, and rate. These are the objectives that we're going to discuss on this lesson. Define base percentage and rate, identify base percentage and rate, then finding percentage.
Alright, let's have first our warm-up. How much is it? We say it's blank. Look at the price list below. There are a set of items with corresponding price in it. How much is it for the fresh chicken? Altogether we say it's 220 per kilogram. How much is it for the bangus fish? Altogether we say it's 250 pesos per kilogram. How about the dried fish? How much is it? It's 270 per kilogram. How about a half sack of rice? How much is it? It's 1,000 pesos per sack. Very good. Good job, everyone.
All right, on this page, we're going to have a review. I want you to visualize the given figure below. Look. Okay, how much unit it is? Very good. If we're going to count the units, we have 20 whole units. Okay, how many shaded part? 10 over 20. Can we simplify 10 over 20? Yes, of course we can. So 10 over 20, we can simplify by using the divisor 10 over 10, or 10 divided by 10 is equal to 1, and 20 divided by 10 is equal to 2. Therefore, 10 over 20 is equal to 1/2. Good job. Okay, look, figure number 2. All right. Can you tell by just looking at the figure? Can you visualize how much is the equivalent fraction form? Yes, we can. How much is it? All right, 8 over 32, or 1/4. Good job, everyone.
Look, let us consider giving the equal decimal number in hundreds place value for each percentage of equivalent. Look, question number 1. What is the equivalent decimal number for 2%? And the answer is 0.02 or 2 hundredths. Number 2. What is the equivalent decimal number for 25%? Are you ready? And the answer is 0.25 or 25 hundredths. Number 3. What is the equivalent decimal number for 32%? And the answer is, everyone, very good, 0.32 or 32 hundredths.
All right, let's continue. Question number 4. What is the equivalent decimal number for 5%? And the answer is 0.05 or 5 hundredths. Number 5. What is the equivalent decimal number for 10%? And the answer is 0.10 or 10 hundredths. Okay, the last one but not the least. What is the equivalent decimal number for 1%? And the correct answer is 0.01 or 1 hundredths. All right, on this page, let us reconsider the value of decimal numbers has the same percentage of equivalent. All right, look at the given examples. 0.01 or 1 hundredths is equal to 1%. 0.05 or 5 hundredths, which is also equal to 5%. 0.10 or 10 hundredths is also equal to 10%. 0.15 or 15 hundredths, which is also equal to 15%. 0.50 or 50 hundredths is also equal to 50%. Alright, look. Together we visualize the equivalent decimal number for each percentage given. Then you're going to answer orally. Again, what is the direction tells us? Okay, the direction tells us that we're going to visualize the equivalent decimal number for each percentage given. Alright, let's proceed. Number 1, 3%. What is the equivalent decimal number? Very good. 3 hundredths or 0.03. Number 2, 10%. What is the equivalent decimal number? Very good. 18 hundredths or 0.18. How about number 3? 45%. What is the equivalent decimal number? Very good. 0.45 or 45 hundredths. Right. Number 4, 62%. What is the equivalent decimal number? Very good. 0.62 or 62 hundredths. How about number 5? 2% is equal to 0.02 or 2 hundredths. Look, what is 20% of 80? The answer is 16. How we get 16? We just simply multiply 80 as our base to 20%, which is our rate converted to decimal number or which has equivalent decimal form for 0.20, then perform the operation and get the product of 16, which is our percentage number. Alright, on this page, let us model this figure to show the whole as our base and rate for the shaded part. Look. Okay, we have there 10 units or 10 pieces of tiles. Okay, the 10 pieces of tiles or the 10 units as a whole will be our base, and the 80%, which is the shaded part or the 8 units taken, represent the rate. The model shows that the shaded part is 8/10 of units taken or 80%, which is our rate, represents the ratio from the whole units. And the whole units, which is our base, and the product result is called the percentage number. The percentage number we can now compare to the base units. Alright, let us consider that base or B represent the whole on which the rate operates. The rate, which is our R, tells us the number of hundredths parts taken and carries the percent symbol. It determines how much percentage will be taken away from the base. The percentage, which represents the P, the product or the result taken from multiplying the rate from the base. Alright, on this page, let us try. Identify the base, the rate, and the percentage. Okay, what is 5% of 350 is 15. Can you tell the base, rate, and percentage on a given number? Very good. Our base is 350. Can you point out the number which we consider the rate? Very good. It has a percent symbol, 5%. The percentage number is 15. Good job. Number 2, 90% of 20 is 18. Let us identify the base, the rate, and the percentage. Alright then, can you point out the base? Very good. The base is 20. How about the rate? We can simply identify the rate because it has the percent symbol, the 90%, and the percentage number is 18. Very good. Number 3. 6 is 12% of 50 based on the given example. Can you identify the base, rate, and percentage? Yes, we can. The base is 50. And the rate, we can easily identify the rate because it has the percent symbol. 12%. Very good. The percentage is 6. All right, for number 4. 4 is 10% of 40. Can you identify the base rate and percentage? Yes, we can. The base is, very good, 40. And the rate is 10%. Why? It is because it has the percent symbol. And the percentage number is 4. Good job, everyone. All right, number 5. 5% of 350 is 15. Can you identify the base rate and percentage? Yes, we can. What is the base? Very good, 350. What is the rate? Very good, 5%. Why? It is because it has the percent symbol. And what is the percentage number? Very good, 15.
All right, let us try more. I want you to find a percentage number. What is 20% of 480? And the answer is 96. How we did that? We can directly drop down two zeros and multiply 48 by 2 to get 96. And that is the answer. Just remember to follow the guide formula. To get the percentage number, just multiply the rate from the base given. Then the product result is what we call the percentage number. If P is unknown, let P equal to R times B. Alright, we have here example. What is 16% of 350 is blank? And the answer is 56. How did we get that? We simply multiply 350 times 0.16. We all know that 16%, which is also equal to 0.16 or 16 hundredths in decimal form. So again, 350 times 0.16, we first multiply the first digit. 6 times 0 is equal to 0. 6 times 5 is equal to 30. Bring down 0, carry 3. 6 times 3, which is equal to 18, plus 3 is equal to 21. Then, let's proceed to the second digit. We multiply the second digit to 350. So, any number multiplied by 1 is the number itself. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 3 is equal to 3. Then, we add the number. Alright, let's add. Bring down 0. 0 plus 0 is 0 again. 1 plus 5 is 6. 2 plus 3 is 5. Alright, so since our multiplier is 0.16, we have two decimal places to move from the left to the right. So the final answer is 56 since we moved two decimal places from the right to the left. The final answer from the left to the right, so we have 56. Let us practice more. I want you to get a clean sheet of paper. Then find the percentage number for each of the following. Number 1. What is 16% of 75 is blank? Number 2. 30% of 300 is blank. Number 3. What is 76% of 150 is blank? Number 4. 12% of 500 is blank. Number 5. 85% of 40 is blank. Are you ready? Alright, so let's proceed answering your work. What is 16% of 75 is 12. Very good. Then 30% of 300 is 90. And what is 76% of 150 is 114. And 12% of 500 is 60. And 85% of 40 is 34. Alright, so good job everyone. This time, let's have a recap. What is base? Base represents the whole on which the rate operates. The rate, which stands for R, tells the number of hundreds parts taken and carries the percent symbol. It determines how much percentage will be taken away from the base. The percentage, which represents the P, the product or result taken from multiplying rate from the base. Now let's see how far you have gone through with the discussion. As for our assessment, I want you to choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. It represents which the whole operates. A. Base. B. Rate. C. Percentage. Number 2. It is called the product or result taken from multiplying the rate from the base. A. Ratio. B. Fraction. C. Percentage. Number 3. It tells the number of hundredths part taken and carries the percent symbol. A. Rate. B. Base. C. Percentage. Number 4. Find the percentage of 65% of 100 is what number? A. 75. B. 65. C. 60. Number 5. If 76 is 95% of 80, what is the base number? A. 76. B. 95%. C. 80. Alright, let's check your work. Number 1. It represents to which the whole operates. A. Base. B. Rate. C. Percentage. And the correct answer is letter B. Number 2. It is called the product or result taken from multiplying the rate from the base. A. Ratio. B. Fraction. C. Percentage. And the correct answer is percentage. Number 3. It tells the number of hundredths part taken and carries the percent symbol. A. Rate. B. Base. C. Percentage. And the correct answer is letter A. Number 4. Find the percentage of 65% of 100 is what number? A. 75. B. 65. C. 60. And the correct answer is 65. Very good. Number 5. If 76 is 95% of 80, what is the base number? A. 76. B. 95%. C. 80. And the correct answer is 80. C. For your assignment, using Tahan's triangle, what is the formula if percentage is missing? For number 1. Number 2, what is the formula if the rate is missing? And for number 3, what is the formula of base is missing? Alright, thank you so much for bearing with me all throughout the lesson. See you again. Of course, don't forget to hit the button like and subscribe for more video lesson. Goodbye and have a wonderful day. This is Teacher Christine. Thank you for watching.